The most popular hardwood flooring colors of 2025. What is the most popular hardwood flooring colors of 2025? In 2025, color choices for hardwood floors are shifting to reflect broader design movements, blending natural aesthetics with sophisticated tones to meet the desires of modern homeowners. The color of your flooring can dramatically shape the atmosphere of a room, influence perceived space, and set the tone for all other design elements. Here are the most popular hardwood flooring colors dominating 2025, each selected for its appeal, versatility, and impact on home value. 1. Warm honeywood floor tones are making a strong comeback. After years of cooler tones taking the spotlight, 2025 sees a definitive shift back toward warmer colors. Honey-toned hardwoods offer a golden, sun-kissed hue that brings an inviting warmth into any room. This color works particularly well in homes, aiming for a cozy, organic, and earthy aesthetic. It's bright enough to make spaces feel open and airy while still offering the depth and richness of natural wood. These tones are especially popular in open floor plans where natural light enhances their warm glow throughout the day. Designers favor honey finishes because they complement both modern and traditional interiors, giving them long-term design flexibility. 2. Soft, natural blonde wood floor is a favorite for modern minimalists. Blonde hardwood floors continue to gain traction in 2025, thanks to their light, neutral tones that reflect Scandinavian and coastal design influences. This color palette creates a calming, uncluttered foundation that emphasizes space and light. Blonde hardwood makes rooms appear larger and more expansive, an ideal choice for small homes, urban apartments, or any interior needing a visual lift. In addition to aesthetic appeal, these floors are also practical. Lighter tones are better at hiding dust, scratches, and pet hair. The preference for blonde tones reflects the ongoing trend toward simplicity, sustainability, and natural living. 3. Rich espresso and dark walnut wood floor tones remain a bold statement. While lighter colors dominate much of the design landscape in 2025, rich, dark hardwoods like espresso and walnut maintain their status as luxurious, timeless options. These deep tones lend a sense of elegance, contrast, and drama to interior spaces, especially when paired with white or light-colored walls and furniture. Dark floors are ideal for contemporary and classic homes alike, though they do require a bit more maintenance to keep clean. Still, their bold sophistication makes them a popular choice for homeowners looking to create a high-end aesthetic. The richness of dark wood also helps to ground open spaces, making them feel cozier and more intimate. 4. Greige and top wood floor shades lead the way in neutral design. The blending of gray and beige, commonly referred to as greige, is a top contender in 2025's hardwood flooring color palette. This hybrid tone offers the best of both worlds, the coolness of gray with the warmth of beige, making it incredibly versatile. Gray floors work with a wide range of color schemes, from cool blues and whites to warmer earth tones. Their neutrality means homeowners can change wall colors or furniture styles without having to replace their flooring. Designers are drawn to taupe and greige finishes because they bring a clean, modern look without feeling sterile. These shades also help highlight natural wood grain, enhancing texture and authenticity. 5. Whitewashed wood floors add breezy sophistication. Whitewashed hardwood floors are carving out a niche in 2025, particularly in coastal, modern farmhouse, and Scandinavian-inspired interiors. This style involves applying a light stain that mutes the wood's natural color, creating a weathered, beachy feel. Whitewashed floors lend themselves to bright, airy spaces and pair effortlessly with soft neutrals, pastel tones, and organic textures. Though they've traditionally been associated with rustic or seaside themes, designers are now using whitewashed woods in more refined and contemporary settings to add depth and personality. Their versatility and trend-forward aesthetic keep them in high demand. 6. Cool gray floors are fading but still hold ground in some spaces. Although gray hardwood was a dominant force in past years, its popularity is beginning to wane in favor of warmer and more natural finishes. That said, it hasn't disappeared entirely. Cool gray flooring still appeals in ultra-modern or industrial-style homes, especially when homeowners want a sleek, monochromatic look. In 2025, however, the gray tones that are still in style often have a hint of warmth or brown undertone, softening the cooler appearance and making the floor feel less stark. The trend is shifting away from flat, ashy grays to more nuanced shades that evoke natural elements like stone and weathered driftwood. 7. Medium brown tones offer timeless balance. Medium brown hardwood floors are a perennial favorite, and in 2025, their popularity is rising thanks to their classic, balanced appeal. These floors, often found in oak, hickory, and maple, highlight the wood's natural grain without veering too far into the extremes of dark or light. Homeowners appreciate medium brown tones for their warmth, durability, and wide compatibility with nearly any interior style. These tones bridge the gap between traditional and contemporary design, offering a safe yet stylish choice for both renovations and new builds. The ability of medium brown floors to hide wear while maintaining a rich appearance adds to their widespread appeal. 8. Rustic and distressed finishes continue to gain popularity. Beyond just color, the finish of hardwood floors is playing a bigger role in 2025's design trends. Many homeowners are choosing rustic or distressed textures, especially in natural or medium tones, to add character and authenticity. These finishes mimic the look of reclaimed wood with intentional imperfections like knots, saw marks, and color variations. When combined with trending colors like honey or greige, distressed wood becomes a centerpiece of farmhouse, cottagecore, and industrial styles. It's a trend that speaks to the growing demand for homes to feel lived in, comforting, and full of personality. In 2025, the most popular hardwood flooring colors reflect a deepening appreciation for natural tones, versatility, and warmth. From airy blondes and soft greiges to rich walnuts and sun-drenched honeys, today's homeowners are choosing floors that not only look good but feel good, creating spaces that are grounded, stylish, and perfectly suited to modern life.